Good day, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on the NASDAQ, the DAX, WTI and Brent Crude Oil, Aussie dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, silver and gold. Just a reminder that these videos are intended as educational. We are only observing current market conditions, and these are not to be considered as trading advice. Looking at the big picture, we see both gold and silver in downtrends with support at $4,100 and $61 respectively. From the technical side, we'll be looking at these trend lines both in bear runs. We see the stochastic oscillators looking oversold and turning back up, but the prevailing technical trade is still a sell position. If we add MACD on the 4-hour charts, we see that we are entering bearish territory again, so waiting on a short trade might be prudent. However, make no mistake, this is a fundamental trade first, not a technical trade. Both gold and silver are trading against the US dollar, so next week's economic news may affect the US dollar, with Jerome Powell speaking at Harvard, and later in the week, the non-farm payrolls. Speaking of US dollar, the strength of the US dollar is keeping price action lower on precious metals, and we can see this mostly in dollar yen, Aussie dollar, where price action has smashed support, and in dollar Swiss, where price action has broken resistance. We see price action on Aussie dollar breaking out of the supply zone, and it looks like we have a long way to fall. However, if we move out to the weekly chart, we see a key level at exactly 69 cents from September of 2024. Of course, the big news to watch is Iran, with the blockage of the Strait of Hormuz seriously affecting the price of crude oil. Technically, we see the stochastic oscillator very overbought and turning down, and MACD seems undecided. Again, the technicals in this market take a back seat to the fundamentals, which are changing hour by hour. And by the way, the spread is back up to $11. News coming out of Washington and the news coming out of Iran are completely contradictory regarding negotiations, and market speculation is rife. As we can see, the US stock indices are still falling due to uncertainty fears regarding the Iran war and political instability in Washington. The NASDAQ is approaching the death cross of the 50-day SMA and the 200-day SMA. The DAX 40 is actually getting closer, as we can see by the chart, and we will keep an eye on most indices in the next few weeks. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.